I will deploy ReactJS, NodeJS application on AWS EC2 or VPS server. Do you need help deploying a ReactJS and NodeJS application on AWS EC2 or VPS server? Then I'm the right person for you. As a full-stack web developer with 2+ years of experience in web development and can help you deploy your ReactJS and NodeJS application on AWS EC2 or VPS servers. I have experience in deploying web applications on different cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and DigitalOcean. My technical skills include HTML, CSS, JavaScript, ReactJS, NodeJS, PHP, MySQL, MongoDB, and more. I'm also familiar with DevOps tools such as Docker. My services include installing and configuring AWS EC2 or VPS server, setting up the necessary software and environment, setting up the web application on the server, testing the application and making sure it's running properly, deploying the application for production, monitoring the application performance, troubleshooting and resolving any issues. If you are looking for an experienced professional to help you deploy your ReactJS and NodeJS application on the AWS EC2 or VPS server, then I am the perfect candidate for the job. Please contact me before placing an order and get a 5% discount.